A good quality dash cam is definitely one of the best tech things I got in 2023, and here's the reasons why I think you should get one going into 2024.
Good vibes, right? That's her for the first time in 10 years, but she's showing an olive branch like we're actually.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to a brand new video about dash cams, and please don't leave yet, I promise it will be interesting. This here is a NEXTBASE 622GW, I believe I'm saying it right, and it's one of the best things I got in 2023. It seems to me, and to many other people that I know that drive, that people in the UK are getting worse at driving. It is true. I think they are. A lot of my friends think they are. With all the kind of crime things that are happening, hit and runs, carjackings, all the crap you see driving to work on a daily basis or whatever you're driving. I got myself one of these. I've got some very cool things on here, very cool things, very weird things, capture some pretty random things to be honest. But yeah, I think you guys need a dash cam. I think if you're driving and you didn't have a dash cam, get one. It's simple as that. Having a dash cam in 2024 can really save your butt. I'll tell you why. Like I said, lots of hits and runs, lots of random things. And if your insurance company take dash cam footage and see that you were hit by someone else or they've done a hit and run, they can be like, there's actual video footage right here. And they can turn around to another insurance company which is trying to tell you that you crash into them, that hey, you've got a video, you can't really go against that. A video is a video. But also you just capture some funny moments on them. I've captured some really weird crap which, if it weren't for a video capture device like this, people would not have believed me. Definitely would not believe me. And also, quickly before we get any further, I did not spill ketchup on my face. I've eaten a lot of chocolate, so the face ain't looking good. This one here does 4K 30, 1440p 60, and 1080p 120 frames a second. So you've got enough detail, got enough kind of slow motion if you want it, that kind of thing. And I think the key is to have a really good high quality dash cam, because some of these more cheaper alternative dash cams you're seeing on a TikTok shop down the road at Asda, that kind of thing, I don't really think are going to be worth it, purely because the detail you're going to get from those is not going to be great. Don't get me wrong, if it says it does 4K 30, it might do 4K 30, frames per second. But having a good quality dash cam means you can zoom in on the footage, you can pick out registration, facial details, location details, that kind of thing, because it is just going to help you in the long run if you do get into any sort of accident, collision, that kind of thing. Apologies about that, my camera decided to die, which is good. Anyway, where was I? So, yes, video specs, really good video stabilization, really good color, really good bit rate, the detail's really nice. Like I said, if you capture something, you need to be able to get to that detail, and kind of those cheaper dash cams won't give you that quality, just from my experience and seeing really cheap dash cams, that kind of thing. So what did I get in a box of this bad boy when I got it? So, we got a clip, we got some instruction manuals, we got an adhesive to go onto the window, we got a cigarette charger cable to keep it connected, and a few bits of information, and a lovely box, by the way. NEXTBASE, please sponsor me. You've done a very nice box. But yeah, I've known about NEXTBASE since I worked at Curry's in 2017, and that's when they first kind of came around to the scene. Dash cams, they weren't actually that popular then. This is like one of the top line ones, and it's just really nice. Let's talk about features of this bad boy. Let's turn it on, and whilst it's turning on, it's got a nice little touchscreen on the back, so when you're selecting clips, you're recording, that kind of thing. Activating Alexa, which I'll talk about later. There we go, fancy little NEXTBASE thing coming up, and look, wait for it. It's recording me. Oh, that's really smudgy. Features wise, this one has Alexa built in, so as I'm pulling up to my flat, I can say, Alexa, turn on all of the living room lights, and they come up straight away. It connects to your phone during Bluetooth, that's how it works. It's got video stabilization, so when you're in like a really bumpy road and stuff, the footage comes out really smooth. It's got what-free words compatible, so say you're crashed in a ditch in the middle of the Lake District. Using what-free words, you can get emergency response straight to your destination to help you out in your sticky situations. It's got this like parking alert thing where it's like a motion sensor. I've had it a few times where some people have got pretty close to my car, both looking in and parking, and it's triggered a recording, which I think is really smart. And sometimes when I'm like looking back at footage, most clips is just me walking back into my car after walking around the front, which is a bit funky. But yeah, and I've got to talk about this button on the front. So basically, the way I believe this works is it's always recording in 2-minute loops. I have it set to, and when it runs out of storage, it rewrites over the last clip, if that makes sense. So it's just like an in-out cycle. But if you click the red button in the middle, it basically locks it. So it locks that clip, it saves it. Because say like you've just seen someone pull out of you and they've like crashed into a post. then you just click the button, boop, and you have that clip saved, and you can show your friends at work, because that's what I did one time. I was like, guys, look at this. It takes a micro SD in there. You can either connect it to your phone using the NEXTBASE app, which will also, when you download the video clips, gives you like a destination thing of like where you were driving. Like you got live view, so you can see what the camera sees on your phone, and it is just like all around. It's just a nice experience. But yeah, those are the kind of main ways you can upload footage and stuff. When you're sitting in your car and you've got it on, it really quickly downloads to your phone. I don't know how it does it so quickly, but it just is a really nice way of kind of coming down and stuff. Well, another thing is this has night vision, I think. Not night vision like you see on Ghost Hunters, but a kind of night vision where you're driving along, it's really dark and you can just see most of the road. So let's say a boy race is overtaking you down a dark road in Reading, it will see it. And when they crash into a bush and right off their Corsa, you will see it. But yeah, I just think this is a class little device. I really think you need one for 2024 because, like I said, the drivers are getting worse, the potholes are getting worse. So let's say you burst a tyre with a pothole, you've got it all on dash cam, so you can go to your local council, but pay me my money because your roads are crap and our taxes are going nowhere. But yeah, it's a really nifty device. I really think you need one. I will cherish this thing, and when it dies in like 10 years, I'll just go buy the latest brand new one. But yeah, I'm gonna start waffling now as usual, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go look at some dash cams. I'll leave one link down below. This is not sponsored, not gifted, by the way. I just really like these. But if you did enjoy, like, share, comment, do all those nice things. Try and hit 500 subs by the end of February, so I'd really appreciate if you help me on that one, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace out.